Hello and welcome to English 130 Literature Composition here at Post University. I am your instructor, Merlinda Dema. Today I will be going over the course syllabus with you, and in order to access the course syllabus if you'd like to see in the future is under course information. If you go under course information, we have about this course, and there's a little blue link here. It says English 130 course syllabus. You'll be able to access this document there. So for this course description, students will engage in active reading and critical analysis of various genres of literature, as well as apply their understanding of the literature to literary responses in order to interpret, connect, and respond to analytical queries through persuasive and responsive writing. A prerequisite for this course is English 110. Some course outcomes: by the end of this course, you will be able to analyze the use of and evaluate the effectiveness of major literary devices such as plot, setting, conflict, theme, symbolism, point of view, style, tone, and imagery. You'll also be able to create and evaluate focused, analytical literary responses, construct critical thinking skills through active reading, analysis of different types of writing, demonstrate advanced and academic research skills and methodologies, demonstrate the ability to create written responses, and also to use proper APA formatting. So for course materials, what you'll need for this class is electronic course materials for reading, listening, viewing materials available. They're all available. Like for every unit, there will be links posted to reading materials online. When we do get into the research part of the course, you will need to have access to the post-university library databases, and also you will need access to Kill a Mockingbird film, and that is available through the Swank database at post-university. For course evaluation, we have 4 elements that you will be assessed on. First part was the literary responses, which are 50% of the grade, overall grade. Literary responses, you will have 1 per week, and these will be due every Sunday by 11:59 p.m. for every unit. You will also have a major research essay, which will be 10% of your grade. The research essay is important because it gives way to your position paper, which is 20% of your grade. Both of these involve extensive research. Also, our weekly discussion boards will count towards 20% of your overall grade. To ensure that we continue to meet our academic standards and your learning expectations, we routinely assess your programs, courses, and instructors. Completion of the end-of-course student survey is a required component of this course. So please do the student survey at the end of the course. So on this document, there is a course schedule as well. Units begin at 12 o'clock a.m. Monday of every week and end at 11:59 p.m. every Sunday. Please note that all Unit 8 discussion board responses are due on Friday instead of Sunday. So that is towards the end of the unit. So for our first unit, we will go over plot, which is how to discover it and how to create it. And activities, you'll have a discussion board where you introduce yourselves to the rest of your class, and you'll also have a plot literary response, which is a fictional creative writing piece. Unit 2 is a setting, is all on setting. And setting is, we're thinking about what impact does setting have on writing. For Unit 3, it's about tone and imagery, like how does word choice make all the difference when you write. Unit 4, theme, discovering what the author is trying to tell us about mankind. What is the overall theme? What is the overall lesson the author is trying to teach us? For Unit 5, conflict, is recognizing human struggles and how struggles play a role in stories. In Unit 6, we speak of symbolism, which is how the author takes us beyond the story. Unit 7 is point of view, which is all about perspective. Unit 8, our final unit, is on reflecting on the course overall. And for that, you will be doing the student survey as well. If we scroll down, we have the official university grading scale. So when you do get your grades for the course, if for example, you have anything between a 95 to 100, you will know that equates to an A. If anything is between, let's say it's an 85, this means you received a B. If it was a 61 that you got, it means that you received a D minus. That's just an example. For any late work, now this is the most important piece. Any late assignments will be accepted on a case-by-case basis. Now what this means is that a student looking to submit late work must have a timely conversation with me, the instructor, within a week of the due date. I will allow work to be handed in late only if you speak to me way in advance, okay? So no late work will be accepted after 11:59 p.m. on a Saturday of week 8 unless a prior plan has been made with the course instructor. If you do realize that an assignment will be late or you're not sure if you're going to get it in on time, please touch base with me ahead of time and I'll be more than happy to work with you to help you to come up with a plan to get that assignment in on time. But handing in assignments really late will require a little bit more discussion. So for the discussion forums, each unit will have a discussion board and it will have a topic where you engage with your peers and with the instructor. You are expected to participate actively in the weekly discussions. It says here at least 3 or more posts, which means your initial post plus you must reply to at least 2 of your classmates' initial responses. Your first post, your initial post for every week should be submitted by 11:59 every Wednesday evening. But your pair responses, your 2 pair responses, should be submitted by 11:59 on Sundays, unless I tell you otherwise. So please remember professional communication is expected in all posts, which includes proper spelling and grammar and providing source information when using outside resources. Please be polite, courteous, kind. I encourage critical thinking and use of extended information in your responses. And also share personal experience in research so your classmates are motivated to continue the conversation and fully explore the discussion topics. Please review the discussion participation criteria and grading rubric on the course information page, which I just showed you, in your course. All discussion board posts must be respectful, as I said, academic and content-based. If you post a response outside of these perimeters, your post will be deleted and you'll get a personal email sent by me. Okay. University academic policies and procedures. If you were to click here, it does talk about our academic policies and procedures based on plagiarism, honors program, final exam policy, auditing courses, and so on and so forth. And that brings us to the end of the course syllabus review. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Good luck here with English 130.